Hi minasan! We will all be discussing about caregiving to metric. So we will be using this blue textbook, Kaigo Nihongo. Lesson 1 of the blue book, Understanding the Structure of the Human Body. Karada no Shikumi no Rikai. In this lesson, we will be discussing different parts of the body, Karada no Ichigo. Number 1, Kami no ke, hair. Number 2, kubi, neck. Number 3, waki no shita, armpit. Number 4, ude, arms. Number 5, hiji, elbow. Number 6, hesso, belly button. Number 7, kushi, lower back. Number 8, senaka, back. Number 9, head, atama. Number 10, katta, shoulders. Number 11, mune, chest. Number 12, belly, hara. Number 13, johanshin, upper body. Number 14, kahanshin, lower body. Number 15, shiri, hips. Next, we will be discussing the different parts of the hand. In Japanese, it's called tobu bui. Number 1, hitai, forehead. Number 2, mayuge, eyebrow. Number 3, matsuge, eyelashes. Number 4, hana, nose. Number 5, kuchi, mouth. Number 6, ha, teeth. Number 7, ago, chin. Number 8, cow, face. Number 9, me, eyes. Number 10, mimi, ears. Number 11, hoho, cheeks. Number 12, kuchibiru, lips. Number 13, nodo, throat. Next will be the different parts of the hand. Te no bubun. Ichiban, number 1, hands. Te. Number 2, finger, yubi. Number 3, nails, tsume. Number 4, back of the hand, tenoko. Number 5, wrist, tekubi. Number 6, palm, tenohira. Number 7, thumb, oyayubi. Number 8, index, hitosashi yubi. Number 9, middle finger, nakayubi. Number 10, ring finger, kusuri yubi. Number 11, little finger, ko. Next, we will be discussing the different parts of the feet and leg. Ashi no bubun. Ichiban, number 1, futomomo, thigh. Number 2, fukurahagi, calf. Number 3, ashikubi, ankle. Number 4, ashi no tsukune, groin. Number 7, hiza, knee. Number 6, ashi no ura, sole. Number 7, tsumasaki, toe. Last but not the least, we will be discussing inside the human body. Karada no naibu. Ichiban, kinniku, muscles. Niban, number 2, hone, bone. Number 3, kansetsu, joint. Number 4, shinzo, heart. Number 5, ketsueki, blood. Number 6, kekkan, blood vessel. Number 7, I, stomach. 皆さん、本日ご清聴いただき誠にありがとうございました。Thank you everyone and see you on our next class.